What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today I'm just going to show you how to use high lift jack because I've got a 2-inch lift on my car and the normal jack wouldn't be able to lift the wheels off the ground, so I got the high lift jack. So I'm just going to show you where you can place it on your bull bar. You can also do it on your rock slider and your rear bar. You can't do it on your rear bar if it's a stock rear bar. So my bull bar is a Hamer bar and it's got the 2 points at the front. It's not a towing point, but you can put the 2 shackles on the point and you can use the high jack lift with it. So you put the shackles in and that's where you put it. Don't put the high jack lift anywhere underneath the bar because it's not gonna hold up and it'll just bend. So you can use these shackles to lift the car. So this point isn't a towing point, so it's not rated, so make sure you don't tow with this point. This is only useful when you lift the car up. So what I meant by towing is that you can't recover from this point. So before lifting the car up, make sure you have something to stop the rear wheels at the back from moving backwards so that the car doesn't go backwards. But make sure you have your handbrake up anyway. So I've got the high jack there and we're gonna try to lift the car up. So what you want to do is you need to have the lever down. When the lever is down, you're able to lift the jack up first, and then that way you know which level it is for the car to lift. Okay, so we're going to lift it up first. Make sure you don't put your head in between here. And from there we're going to lift this up to lock it, and that's locked there. We're going to open it up and lift. So make sure you don't put your head in between the bars. And when you need to stop, always keep it up like this, because you don't want it to be down here and it'll fly back to you. You're gonna hear the clicking noise every time it climbs up. So it gets pretty tight. Let's leave it there and see how high it's up. So about this height, the wheel is off the ground, and now I'll show you how to bring it back down. So make sure when you're changing this lever that this thing is up, not down. Otherwise it'll flick on you. you bring it down. That's it. And after that, you can lock it. So once you brought it down, you can lift this up and lock it. Make sure you don't put your finger anywhere here, otherwise you might cut or break your finger. So if you didn't have a flat surface, say you're on off-road on the dirt, you can get one of these and that'll hold the high lift jack flat. So when you have a high lift jack, it's pretty dangerous, so make sure you read the warning and make sure that you have the handle up anytime that you're trying to change the leverage of the high lift jack. So if you like this video and you think it's helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Comment below guys on what type of equipment you guys use to lift your 2-inch lift vehicle, to change tires or whatever you need to do. Also comment below if you would buy a high lift jack or would you rather buy just a gas lift jack. I hope this video is helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.